Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I love the features of this iPad case. My favorite feature is the grooved back that allows me to fold it to prop up my iPad to use on my lap or on a table. The inside cover has a soft suede-like feel. The base is a nice, strong case with cutouts that line up and are finished off so nicely. The back of the case is clear, where you could put notes or pictures to show through, and it's a great way to be able to personalize and customize the case. There's also a place to hold my Apple Pen, and the color is beautiful. I love the function, the quality, and the style of this iPad case. And that's my point of view.